Using a bait station with Evolve Rat or Evolve Mouse is a simple way to deploy the soft baits in known rodent feeding areas. The Evolve bait station comes with a key to keep pets and children from accessing the bait. But don't worry, Evolve rodent birth control is safe for people, pets, wildlife, and the environment when used as directed.
You'll want to note the traffic routes of rats or mice, as that'll be a good place to locate the Evolve bait station. This can be indoors or out. You can use the bait stations in conjunction with traps or other means, but you want to keep them at least 10 feet away from lethal methods. These instructions are specific to the Evolve bait station, but for the most part can be applied to other models on the market. To start, snap the key off the side of the station and insert it into the locking mechanism to open the bait station. Using gloves, slide the bait onto each of the metal posts. You should be able to fit 2 to 12 pieces of Evolve in the station compartment. Remember, 1 pound of Evolve rat will feed one rat for approximately 25 days. Rats and mice don't travel alone. Close the lid and replace the key to the side of the station. It should snap back in place. Monitor the station periodically to ensure the bait has been completely consumed and to ensure a constant supply is available. Add additional bait as needed. If consumption is repeatedly low or ceases, try relocating the bait station to a different location. Keep the supply of bait going for optimal performance. You should see less evidence of rodents within 2 to 3 months and see a significant decrease in evidence and population within 6 months. If you have any questions about how to deploy Evolve products, feel free to review our FAQs on our e-commerce website at www.cinestech.com or email us using the contact form there. We appreciate your business and look forward to creating a healthier environment for all of us.